Hey, Brad, just look at the stars. It's like they go on forever. Mm-hmm. That's good. Don's always has the best chicken nuggets. You know what chicken nuggets are like before they're cooked? I hear it's basically some kind of paste. Hey, did you know the sun is actually a small star? And wouldn't that mean that there are millions of giant suns out there in the universe? I don't know. Hey, Brad, how do you think caramel sauce would taste on mashed potatoes? I think I'll have to try it. Sure. More construction. Dude, I can barely hear myself talk. It's awesome. Dude, aren't some of the stars up there actually planets? You think we're looking at other solar systems? Meh. Hey, Brad, how come you haven't been saying anything? What do you mean? I mean, I say something, and you don't give any input. It's like nothing I say interests you. Like I'm just boring you. You're not boring me. I just don't have anything to say. Maybe I got too much to worry about, what with classes. Tell you what, how about you talk first? What's going through your mind right now? What should I say? Anything. Well, just thinking of today's lecture, I guess. Oh, yeah. Actually, I mostly slept through that one. Oh. Well, what can I say? I was bored and sleepy. But I do remember they played a movie clip. That was pretty cool. Yeah. I don't think I've seen that movie. It looks good, though. Yeah. Wanna go look it up on the net? Sure.